How's it going? It's Sun Seb, and today I'm going to be making my entry into Roon Picker's RP Spicy Challenge. And the challenge there is to take a spoonful of Tabasco or hotter hot sauce and then pick and gut a challenge lock. So I'm going to be picking Rook Knight's number 3 Rook challenge lock. Hopefully not taking too long, but little disclaimer in advance, I apologize if this video gets to be pretty long. I am not the greatest gutter or picker, really, to be completely frank, but I'm going to do my best and try to make this go relatively smoothly. Rook, if I get any of the pins reversed or anything on the gut, let me know so that when I reassemble it I can get it back together the way that you intended it. So I do enjoy spicy food. Normally not straight hot sauce, it's not kind of my go-to, I guess, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Congratulations, Roon, on the birth of your second child. That's great news. I've got 2 of my own, and I don't know what I would be doing if it wasn't for them. They seem to take up a whole lot of my time. But yeah, it's exciting. One thing about kids is it's always something new, a new challenge to overcome, which goes along with the challenge lock theme. All right. Whew, I can already smell it. All right, well, let's go. Oh, yeah, that's a nice healthy burn there. Woo! All right, let's get going. I have a little yogurt drink here for after the pick to hopefully take away a little bit of the burn. A couple clicks early here. Alright, a little bit of plug movement there on that one. I have picked this before, so hopefully this goes relatively smoothly. I believe it's a 5-pin Schlag keyway. Oh, it wasn't too bad, but it's definitely affecting me. I can feel the sweat starting to come on a bit. Ooh, and the old runny nose too. It looks like I got a little bit more plug rotation there. A bit of a deeper falset. Might be an overset on that one. That kind of moved more than I intended it to. But maybe not. And that one's got to be a threaded chamber. Just really kind of grindy when moving that pin. There's the open. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and have this little yogurt drinkaroo before I get gutting. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of gutting, so an extra distraction isn't going to be helpful. Alright. Here we go. I get out my sun pinning tray. Sorry, I didn't mean to take that off camera, but there's the log. try and make a little adjustment on my camera angle. Apologize. My tripod isn't the greatest at getting a really steep angle. Alright, so that should work. Got the key here, so I'll go ahead and relock it. Let's take a look at the key. I haven't demummified this yet. Nice bitting on that. It was a fun pick. Really fun pick. And I'm sure it will be just as interesting to look and see what's in it. Find the right... I am a complete noob when it comes to all this gutting business, so I apologize in advance. This is probably going to be the worst part of the video. Alright, there's a circlip. And I've got to get a shim out before hand. Sorry for the unpreparedness. I wasn't the greatest Boy Scout, let's just say that. Alright. See if I can get this to slide in there. I haven't gutted this yet. I have picked it a couple times, but have not yet tried gutting this. So I'm very interested to see what's going on inside of this beauty. When I talked to Rook, I may redo his little mummification to see if I can make the key actually look like a rook. I think it shouldn't be too bad. The you know, the base of it does kind of look like the bottom of a chess piece. So alright, well, I'm going to try that. See if hopefully I can just get that to get the shim to kind of follow along with my plug follower. Six chambers pinned up to 5, and I can definitely see some threading there in the 6th chamber in the plug. It's interesting. Oh, still got a little bit of that burn coming in here. Get these key pins. Removed first, then we'll hit the Bible. That one belongs in the 1st chamber. See some nice, really nice pin work by Rook. And you can see there, hopefully, some threading there on chambers 2, 4, and 6. I don't think I see anything on 1, 3, and 5. I'll give a close-up on the pins once we're all gutted here. One flew out at me. I'm guessing that would be like that. Bloody hell. I really suck at this. 2. 3. Man, I really hope I get these positioned the right way. 4. And 5. Think I got those all in there, right? And try and get these springs out. I'm not sure if there's any different springs, so I'll try and get them out individually. Maybe I can just dump it like that. No, both of those came out at the same time, but looks like they're the same, so. And I don't believe I have a magnet, but I think maybe a magnetic spring there on pin 1. So there we have Rook Knight's excellent pin work. Some nice deep serrations, some nice sharp cuts, a little bit of a kind of like a torpedo-y type key pin on pin 1. Apologize that my light is like directly overhead. Let me see if I can find a light here that maybe I can help dissipate some of that shadow. Sorry about that. Accidentally stopped recording there, but yeah, so hopefully you can see the pin work there fairly well. I gotta get a better light set up here. I think I need one maybe from the other side, hopefully. I mean, if I could get something up there under that little rack, I think that'd be ideal, but it's really hard to show pins well, my current lighting setup. But there we have Rook's handiwork. Great pick, really fun. Once again, congratulations, Roon, on your second child. Have a good one, guys. So after I stopped recording, I realized I didn't even take a look in the Bible yet. If you can't tell, this isn't something that I'm too used to doing. So it looks like there may be some modification there in the Bible as well. Hard to tell. Maybe not. I could be wrong. You'll have to fill me in there, Rook. But I believe that there is. Not really feeling much with the pick, though. Anyhow, there's a bit of a close-up. If I could get it to focus, that would be ideal. And close up there, the Bible. it looks like there's some sort of modification done in there, but yeah, you'll have to fill us in, Rook. Now, for real this time. Have a good one.